Hey queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be making a breakfast smoothie. Well, not just one, okay? I'm giving you guys 4 breakfast smoothie. So you have the option, and they were all tasty. Right here, I am adding banana. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an oldie, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And just go and enjoy the content. I've got lots of video. You can go through them. I'm also making playlists so it's easier for you guys to navigate on the channel. Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite ingredients to add to your breakfast smoothies. And also, as you can see, this is a very simple one, just 4 ingredients. How simple, and look at how creamy and vibrant this smoothie is. Don't you just want to taste it? Give it a try. For the second smoothie, I will be starting off with mixed berries. That's strawberry, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Always remember the benefits, the exact measurements will always be on my blog. If not the same day or a day after. I usually hit for the same day. Comment down below and let me know what's your favorite berry. I really like strawberry and I love blueberries. But some blackberries can be a little too tart, and I love raspberries. So let me know your fave. Now I'm adding spinach. We have to get the greens in this breakfast smoothie, okay? And spinach has a mild taste, so don't worry about that, okay? Onto some good old Greek plain yogurt, and yogurt is good for gut health, so we want to get that in, right? Have healthy gut. Some almond milk, but you can add any milk of your choice. Feel free. I use goat milk. Well, you guys see the variety that I use on this channel, so yeah, choose your fave. Now it's time to blend, 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 so we can enjoy this. Have to. Now look at this rich looking purple smoothie. Get you some of this. It's filled with antioxidants. On to our third breakfast smoothie. I'll be starting off with spinach.
And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
1 tablespoon of peanut butter, some honey, but feel free to add any sweetener of your choice. And you don't have to add any sweetener. As you see in some of them, I don't. Some oats keep you fuller for a longer time. Now look at this rich, green, creamy smoothie. Trust me, you have to try it. It's so tasty, okay? Moving on to last but certainly not least, I'll be starting off with cottage cheese. And there's your protein for your breakfast smoothie, okay? Raspberries. Honey, again, add any sweetener of your choice. You don't have to add any. Peanut butter, another good source of protein. And some almond milk.
Because you don't know who you're going to be.
Just take a good look at this pink tasty smoothie. It was unique but good. I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned for my next video. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell on, and stay tuned. Make sure you guys drop your comments and let me know which one you think you would prefer more. Also, guys, don't forget to join my Facebook community, which is Smoothie Queen Momo, so you can post all the smoothies you tried here on my channel or juices. And my Instagram tag is Smoothie Queen Momo as well. Follow up, please. Man, them a give up to easy now. Yeah, hombre. That one, yeah? Bad. I want to have a buzz, me I tell it, have a buzz. A buzz nation.
Where should I go?